In this video, I'll show you how to remove your Facebook profile picture, step by step. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture or your name. Next, tap your current profile picture to open it. Select View Profile Picture. Then tap the three-dot menu in the corner. Look for the option to delete photo and tap it. Confirm the deletion when Facebook asks you to. Your current profile picture will then be removed, and Facebook may display the default profile image instead. If you don't see the Delete Photo option, open your photos. Go to Albums and select Profile Pictures. Find your current profile picture, open it, and use the three-dot menu to delete it. Keep in mind that removing your profile picture doesn't delete your Facebook account or other photos. That's how you can remove your Facebook profile picture. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook tutorials. Thanks for watching.